don't know what the heck I'm looking at right here. This is a crazy Walmart Spark order. In the last few days, we've been seeing the most ridiculous, egregious, diabolical Walmart Spark orders ever. We got $25 for 66 miles on this one, guys. What is going on? Can't nobody make no money like
Yes,
this.
sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Boy, these orders so bad, they got the emergency sirens going off in the background. What is going on? We got $25.10 for 59.5 miles, man. If you a Walmart Spark driver, do not take orders like this. I don't know if it's a glitch going on. I don't know if somebody got fired over at the Walmart Spark headquarters, but do not take orders like this. You should be doing $25 for one customer, not 17. All right, on this one, we got $22 in base pay, 15 stops, 33 total items. Estimated time, 2 hours and 13 minutes. Guys, this is absolutely crazy. 56 miles one way. So that means you looking at a 112-mile round trip to make $22. $22 for 112 miles? That's not even going to cover the cost of gas. Tell me this is a glitch. Shout out to y'all who sent me these screenshots because I got one bad order. This is the one I got right here. Next up, we got $26, 59.5 miles. Estimated time 2 hours, 21 minutes, 14 drop offs. Do not take this order, guys. Please, whatever you do, do not take this order. I promise you, if you wait and you be patient, you will get something better. I've been doing Walmart Spark for a very long time, and this is not the normal. This got to be some kind of glitch, and if it ain't, just hold out and wait for something better. Turn on DoorDash. You better off doing one no-tip order. These orders are actually pretty laughable if you sit and think about it. Look at this one. We got two stops. Two stops, one pickup, one drop off, right? It looked good. $59.57. That's a $60 bill right in your pocket. But here's the caveat. You got to drive to a whole nother state. Yes, right. You heard me. 198.7 miles. Walmart, what is going on? Spark, what are we doing? This is a 400-mile round trip for 60 bucks. You're going to need 2, 3 full tanks of gas to make that happen. That's crazy. And then what if you encounter tolls? Then what? Now you just lost even more of your profit. There's got to be a glitch. Ain't no way a customer able to order from 200 miles away on Walmart. This is crazy. This is crazy. Do I need to open up my Walmart Plus app right now and see if I can order from 200 miles away? Because I don't think I can. I think I got like 4 Walmarts I can order from. And this is crazy. You might get deactivated over an order like this. You accidentally accept it. You get there, not realizing it say 198 miles. You thinking it might say 19 or something, right? Nope. You get there, check in, confirm the order. Boom, 200 miles, baby. See your ass tomorrow. When it comes to offers, this got to be one of the worst ones I ever seen in my life. We got $33.31, guys. 22 stops, 77 miles. What is going on? Estimated time 3 hours and 3 minutes. ASAP pickup at the Greenville Walmart. This is crazy. I ain't never going to Greenville a day in my life. 21 drops, guys. This order is going to pay you $11 per hour. And you're going to use up all of your earnings on gas. That's an 144-mile round trip. This is crazy. And then you got 40 to 50-pound items you got to deliver to an apartment building. You probably got to haul a bike, all for 30 bucks. The first item you drop off on this order probably going to be worth 30 bucks. And you going to make total earnings of $33. No adjustment. Yeah, I don't know what's going on with this, but we cannot let this slide. And they got the nerve to send you this order as a round robin. You see that timer? It say just for you. That means this is a round robin offer. Meaning if you decline this one, it will be affecting your acceptance rate. Me, I personally don't care about no acceptance rate on any app that I use. But I know a lot of folks out there do. They try to make the most of their time. They like to keep all their ratings into the green. This one right here, be it a bad order or a glitch, is going to definitely negatively impact your ratings. And that's messed up. And then, guess what? You decline that one. No worries. Don't worry. Don't even worry about it. They got something for you. $34.70, 24 stops. Let that sink in for a second. Let that sink in for a second. 80.5 miles. Estimated time 3 hours and 11 minutes to make 34 bucks. $11 an hour to drive your whip, fill it up. You might as well go sign up for Amazon Flex, because I'm pretty sure in a 3 or 4 hour block on Amazon Flex, you're gonna make more than 34 bucks. Absolutely horrible, despicable behavior, and Walmart is getting away with this every single day. Now, we can't put this off all on the customer because they paying for that delivery, or they paying for that Walmart Plus subscription service. Why does Walmart think they can get this many items out for this low of a payout? And I know what they're gonna say. Oh, it was a glitch in the system. Oh, the algorithm messed up. But all the while, they ain't coming back to these Spark drivers accounts and giving them any type of adjustment on these orders. Let me know in the comments below. Every single one of these bad orders I just showed you, do you think that Walmart, being the great company they are, do you think they finna double back and give any driver any kind of adjustment on any of these offers? You know, because if that was the situation, if drivers were reporting that, we were getting adjustments on these horrible offers that we happen to see from time to time, then maybe that would be one thing. I want to show you a few examples of what a decent, respectable Walmart Spark order should look like. And to all my new Spark drivers out there, hold fast. Don't take any of those other orders. Take one like this. We got $32 for 3.8 miles. This one happens to be a Michael's delivery. 2 stops, estimated time 27 minutes. It's actually one stop. You're picking up at Michael's, delivering to the customer. Enough time in the hour to complete one more order. Let's have a look at this next one too. $39.31, 12.7 miles. Estimated time 51 minutes. This one is a round robin. We got a pickup time of 4:50. When you see a designated pickup time on your Spark order versus it being an ASAP order, these are typically going to be your better paying offers. This one is giving you a great, 2-to-1 miles to money ratio. You're able to hit your profits and still got a few minutes left within the hour to make some money. And right here we have another great example. $55.22, 17.8 miles. And this one got a little bit of icing on top of the cake. Multi-trip incentive. Look out for orders like these that not only meet your requirements for miles to money ratio, customers, estimated time, but also give you that added chance to make some additional money by either hitting a bonus or an incentive. $44, 32 miles, 32 miles, $44.32, 13.4 miles, 2 drop-offs. Estimated time on this one, 44 minutes. This is a Sam's Club scheduled pickup. If you're a Spark driver and you're trying to get you some Sam's Club orders, they drop on the 30-minute mark of every single hour. Typically, the 11:30 a.m. is a big drop. The 2:30 p.m. and the 4:30 p.m. drops. Those 3 drops, you have the highest chance of seeing a high-paying Sam's Club order on the Walmart Spark app. Something's got to be done. Something has to change. Now, until Walmart or Spark driver platforms step up and start offering drivers some type of adjustment on orders like these, we finna keep on letting y'all know what's going on. Because at least if you decline the order for a couple days or a couple weeks, it might go up to a reasonable amount. But these are crazy orders. Typically on an order, there's 1-to-1 miles to money ratio. So let's just say if this was 56 miles, 56 bucks, it might take it a couple hours for it to increase to about 70 or 80 bucks. And then somebody accept it. Now it's not a losing offer. But an order like this, it's gonna have to sit on the platform for about 4-5 days, maybe a whole business week for it to increase in value. So some poor soul take it and don't lose money on it. Otherwise, somebody gonna get tricked into thinking they need to accept orders like this and orders like this. And Walmart and Spark ain't finna give them no kind of adjustment pay. Maybe if you in an area where they got a minimum hourly rate, you get some type of compensation on the back end adjustment as far as your earnings working in your city or state. But the app, they ain't doing nothing for you. So to all my Spark drivers out there, steer clear away from these orders. If you see a batch order that got a whole bunch of drops, 14 to 23 drops, it need to be paying you at least 1-to-1 miles to money ratio. Try to get one that's going in a direction for another Walmart that can kind of give you another batch order going back where you came from. You know, try to find you a nice little 10 to 15 mile radius you can work in if you like to take these batched orders like this. But don't be driving no 80 miles for 30 bucks. Don't be driving no 100 miles for $22. Don't take any of the orders I showed you on screen today, and you would be just fine. Let me know in the comments below if you would take these orders and why. And let me know who you see taking these orders. I'm trying to figure this out because we got to put an end to this. I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe out there and steer clear of these orders like this.